To use the green screen on iMovie within the iPad, go ahead and record something with a green or blue background on the iPad. Now go to iMovie on your iPad and go ahead and select a new movie. Select only the background that you want. So I'm going to choose this one, and at the bottom it says create movies. Go ahead and do that. Now my background is in iMovie now. Go ahead and select the location of where you want to put the green screen. If I want it in the beginning, go ahead, and at the top upper right corner there's a plus sign. Go ahead, select that, and then look for video and look for your green screen video. As you can see right there, there's 3 dots. Go ahead and select the 3 dots, and it says green or blue screen, and it's automatically put in there. And it is that simple. Thank you very much. Make sure your iPad has the latest update on iOS and the iMovie app. Thank you for watching.